So we're here today with our partners Boston Dynamics and Trimble to introduce Spot the dog. Spot is a robotic autonomous system to be able to assist us with the capture of digital information as we continue to build out Metro Tunnel project. So the aim is to capture information of the critical locations of all of the assets that's fitted throughout the tunnel. That information is then captured and installed back up into our digital modelling, and then we can actually progressively see how the built form is coming along against what our design looked like from the outset, and validating that this world-class piece of infrastructure has been built in accordance with what our original design intent was. The results are incredibly impressive. The amount of data that's captured, the visibility, the accuracy of what we can see actually in the digital form, it's essentially looking at it through the lens as if you were looking through the camera itself today. The benefits of this technology is that it can actually capture a lot of data quickly and also then be able to upload it into our digital engineering processes. Metro Tunnel Project are installing two 9-kilometre tunnels which are fit with thousands of kilometres of mechanical and electrical equipment. All of that is being installed progressively, and the aim of using this technology is to capture it progressively and then build it back into our digital engineering processes. There is a bit of excitement, there's a bit of humour that sits around that in terms of having a dog roaming around the corridors of Metro Tunnel Project, but at the end of the day it's helping us, it's a tool for us to use. So from a workspace perspective, in terms of our survey team, our digital engineering team, it's actually a tool that assists them in doing their work. This is a pioneering technology advance, absolutely, in terms of certainly using it first time here in Victorian tunnelling, and the intention is to continue to grow it more in terms of what we can do. Here we're using it for the purposes of construction, but there's various other fields that it can be used for, in the maintenance field, in the inspection of assets, and again just referring to how you can use it for purposes of going in and doing repetitive tasks in areas that perhaps are less accessible. As you can see around you, we've got the station platforms are being built out. We're presently installing the escalators and we continue to fit out the stations. In the tunnel, works has continued to be able to fit out the mechanical and electrical systems in readiness for the track installation commencing later this year. All working towards us seeing the first test trains starting next year.